So this is my first YouTube video. So today we will do some basics like how to update, upgrade and basic Linux command. So first command we will see is that how to update our system. So first command is sudo apt update. So apt is the repository of Linux Debian version, and sudo is the super user privilege. So we have to give the password. So now, so this is how we can update our softwares. And the second command we will see is that how to update our hardware. So for that we will use sudo apt upgrade. So my system is up to date, so that's why it not take much time. So next command we will see is that ls, the list directory. So it will list all the directory. If you want to see the more detailed version of this, then we can use ls -l or we can use ll command. So this is the total directory. So now next command will see is that change directory. So it will cd, and we want to go to the desktop folder. So we use cd desk. So if we press the tab, then it will autocomplete. Now we have moved in the desktop directory. Now we can list the desktop directory. So ls, so none of the file is present in the desktop. As you can see that my desktop is empty. So now we will create one file. So for creating the file we can use touch command. Touch file1 dot txt. So one file is created. We can see in the desktop that one file has been created. Now if you want to write something in the file, then we can use echo command. Echo let's use this is my first text, and we can write it to the file1. So ls file1 has been written with this text. This is my first text. Now if you want to print the file, so we can use cat command. Cat file1.txt, enter. This is my first text. This is written in the file. Now if you want to create the directory, we can use mkdir command. So mk make directory, and let's folder 1. So we have seen that one folder has been created. If you want to go inside the folder, then we can use cd info and folder 1. So we have moved inside the folder 1. If you want to go back to the desktop, then we can use cd // or simply dot. We go one folder above. If you want to move the file1.txt into the folder 1, then we can use move command. mv file1 is the source file path, and we want to move in the folder 1. So file folder 1. So the file 1 has been moved to the folder cd folder ll. So here file 1 is present in the folder 1 directory. And next command we will see is that copy directory, copy file. So let's we want to copy this file1 file from here to desktop, and we want to file1 to be present in the folder 1 also. So we can use cp command and file1.txt // is the one folder above. We want to copy the file1 as we are present in the folder 1 directory. So we have copied folder file1 from this directory to the one directory above, that is the desktop directory, and enter ls. So this is the file1 from the folder 1, and cd.ls. This is the file1 from desktop. And we can see in the desktop that file1 is present, folder 1. If we go inside the folder 1, then file1 is also present here. So I think that's, and one more thing, like if we want to delete the file, then we can use rm command. So rm file1, so file1 will be deleted. And if you want to delete the folder, then we can also use rm folder 1, but it will not be deleted, because folder we have to do recursive deletion, because in folder we have another file and another folder. So for that we have to use that -r command, -r flag, that is for recursion deletion. So we use rm dash -r folder 1 ls, so all the thing in the desktop will be deleted. So that is for today. So thank you.